In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit videos in Heygen. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the editor, refining your visuals and timing, and polishing the avatar's speech so your video looks and sounds exactly the way you want. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Heygen. From the results, choose the official Heygen website. If you're ever unsure, look for the site that references creating AI videos and avatars. It should be the platform you're expecting to use. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In. Use your preferred login method and complete any prompts. After you're in, head straight to the Projects section. This is your hub for everything you've created or collaborated on, and it's where you'll find the video you want to edit. Locate the specific video you're working on. If you've named your projects clearly, this will be quick. Otherwise, scan the thumbnails. Hover over the top right corner of the video card and click the pencil icon to open it in the editor. This takes you directly into the workspace where changes happen. Let's get oriented. At the bottom, you'll see the timeline. This is where you control when things appear and disappear, including your script, transitions, and on-screen elements. Click any asset and drag its edges to adjust its duration. This is perfect for making text linger longer, tightening cutaways, or syncing images to spoken lines for better pacing. In the center is the canvas, your live preview area. Drag and drop elements here to resize them, rotate them, or reposition them. Keep important content away from the extreme edges so it's easy to read on different screens. Aim for consistent sizing and placement from scene to scene to make your video feel polished and intentional. On the right, you'll find the script panel. This is where you edit the avatar's speech. Update wording to improve clarity, add short pauses for emphasis or breath, and if available, switch voice styles to match your tone. Read your script out loud as you edit. Concise sentences and clear transitions usually produce the most natural delivery. Use the sidebar to add text overlays, images, or B-roll. After placing anything on the canvas, you can right-click to bring it to the front or send it to the back, which helps when elements overlap. Keep text legible with enough contrast and use media that supports what's being said rather than competing with it. When your edits look good, click Preview to generate a low-resolution draft. This won't use credits, so it's perfect for checking timing and layout. If everything looks right, click Submit to render the final high-definition version. Give it a moment to process, and you're all set.